let's make some cheesy stuffed chicken breast with callaloo served with mashed potatoes and sweet corn. Enjoy! Okay guys, so I am heading to the supermarket and I'm just going to carry you along to see what I'm going to get. I'm basically going to make a stuffed chicken breast, cheesy stuffed chicken breast, but it normally requires to use spinach, but I'm not going to use spinach guys. I'm going to try stuffing the chicken with some callaloo. So I'm just going to pick up a couple items in the supermarket and we're going to see how much it comes, because guys, you know the cost of living expensive in Jamaica. So I'm gonna see how much them couple items that will come up to. I'm guessing it's gonna come up to probably about maybe about 3,000 something, because chicken breast is very expensive. So guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe. I always I say on a nasty in the face. Majority of the times when I'm filming guys, I just film the content, show no one want, and drop the gems, drop the videos, drop the recipes, and just ignore myself, because majority of the times when I'm filming I am either in a pajama or I'm in some laundry and it's not appropriate for the internet. So I just keep myself out of the video and just show the amazing recipes that I have to offer. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, turn it to all so you don't miss an upload. And thanks for the support, and thank you guys for always checking in, and for all the returning viewers, welcome back, and to the new viewers, welcome to Cooking with Easy and C. Alright guys, let's head on the road. So I'm going to make some stuffed chicken breast. So I'm looking for looking for what's it called again, the cream cheese, right? So this is the cheese. These are all the different types of cheese. So you just have to pick up one. I really want the one with the onion and soup, because I never put my onion and soup in mine. They're expensive, you know. So I go buy this brand. I'm not really business with the brand. I just want some cream cheese. I'm gonna buy the natural one. We're going to need also some mozzarella cheese. This brand, I like Kraft brand going on for the cheese. Then I like Kraft brand. Oh, so one here. Something them good, them just dash them all about the place. So we have the cream cheese and we have the mozzarella. So these are all the cheese, cream cheese. So next we need the spinach and the chicken breast. 2 chicken breasts. And then the probably I want beetroot. All different types of vegetables. And get some spinach. Callaloo or the top. Alright, so we have the cream cheese, the callaloo, the chicken breast. I got some beetroot and aluminum foil. So we're going to ring up everything and see how much we spend, and then we head back to the kitchen. So today we are going to make some stuffed chicken breast, right? So these are the ingredients for the stuffed chicken breast. We have here some deboned chicken breast, we have mozzarella cheese, we have some cream cheese, butter, we have some corn. So I'll be making making the stuffed chicken breast with some corn and the mashed potatoes. And I'm also going to go ahead and use some callaloo to stuff the chicken. So guys, this is going to be very mouth-watering and delicious. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. But first, we're going to prepare the chicken. Afterwards, we're going to make the filling for the chicken breast. For the chicken breast that I purchased by the supermarket, it seems as if they cut it in half. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. So first I'm going to pat dry the chicken breast, remove some of the water from it as much as possible, and then guys, we're gonna operate on this chicken breast. So we're going to stitch back the chicken breast so we can get it one side of it to be closed. So I'm going to lay it right here. First of all, I'm going to season the chicken breast. So to season, I'm going to drizzle some oil over it so that we can apply our seasoning. Guys, I don't know, in my kitchen I use like a powder season something. But today I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose season, some paprika for color, not a lot, guys. Turn it over, some salt, paprika, Maggi all-purpose season, Maggi again, and we're just going to repeat the process until the chicken is seasoned. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with some blended herbs. Just going to massage it on. You could add only the blended herbs, guys, but I just choose to add some season to it, some powdered season, to get all that juice. Well seasoned chicken breast. We're going to use this toothpick to stitch up back the chicken. So we're going to use a toothpick to stitch the chicken, right? Because we didn't want both sides to cut open. We only wanted one side. And if you can sew, it's as easy as that, guys. Just stitch right here so we can close it up a bit. Lovely. So that's the pocket that we're looking for. So if you purchase a chicken breast at the supermarket and they cut it in half, they cut the breast in half, you can just use some toothpick and just stitch the chicken breast together to make that pocket just like this. Alright guys, so we'll now waste this season and we're going to put it right in there. Alright guys, so we're going to make the filling. So I'm going to add some of the cream cheese. That will do. I'm going to add some garlic, so I'm just going to add 2 garlic into my garlic presser. Then I'm going to press them just like that. Scrape it off. Parsley flakes. I'm going to add some mayo. Then I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and support the video by you know what, so we can create these recipes for you. So next I'm just going to blend everything. Next I'm going to add the callaloo. Guys, this recipe you normally use spinach, but today I'm going to create this stuffed chicken breast with a twist. I'm going to be using callaloo, right? I don't know, spinach expensive, and probably you guys are saying, so why we couldn't use a substitute? This is more inexpensive, so I'm going to show you how this turn out if you use the callaloo. So I'm gonna do it for now and make you see what I go on. So we're just going to blend everything. So you want to get that cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, and the garlic, parsley, everything fully blended. So this is the filling. What you could do is you could steam the callaloo first if you prefer. So I'm just going to turn it around so you guys can see what's going on. So you're just going to get some of the filling and stuff it right in. Guys, motor run water and it not finished cook yet. Right, and after we add the filling, I'm just going to go ahead and sew it up back so we can keep the filling inside. Alright guys, so this is how the chicken breast is looking. Guys, I operate pan the chicken breast now. I operate pan this chicken breast. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to add to a frying pan and allow it to cook on both sides until golden brown. So we're just going to melt the butter, and then we're going to add the stuffed chicken breast to the frying pan, allow it to cook on both sides to get that color coated on the outside, and then we're going to pop it into the oven and allow it to be baked straight through so that the chicken breast can be baked as well as the callaloo to be steamed properly. Alright, so we're looking good so far, golden brown on one side, so we flip it over on the other side so it can be coated and look very nice and lovely. Look at that cheese, guys. I can't wait for dive in. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. We have our stuffed chicken breast golden brown on both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it into the oven and allow it to bake straight through. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And don't forget to support the channel. So we're boiling some sweet corn and some Irish potatoes. Once the Irish potato is soft, right, just like that. You know, say it cook. So we're just going to prepare the Irish potato, simple Irish potato, some mayonnaise, some butter, and that's just it. And we're going to serve it with the corn and the stuffed chicken breast. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.